My oldest decided he wanted his rod to look like Blue, the raptor, so he came in the shop and drew up a concept for me, his little drawing. He wants her stripe for the rear and her eye for the fore, so we were kind of doing some rough drawing on the grips, and I had to plan out how I was going to do this, quite a few different takes of drawing. And then I let him cut the length of the grip, the 9 and the 3.5 inches that we're doing for his rear and his foregrip on the bandsaw with the sled that I made the other day so that it was safe for him. He was super proud of himself. And then I took over on the scroll saw because it's too close for his fingers for me, and also where it's at is he can't reach it. So I started cutting out the stripe basically, and I'm going to piece these two colors back together with a white piece on the inside. All his idea. That's what it looks like clamped together, so you guys can see what it'll look like when it's actually glued up. But yeah, I think this is actually going to be a really cool grip set that he came up with. I'm super proud.